these are not worth the money that you pay for them. I've been using fountain pens for like a couple of years now. I use them for writing drafts, and sometimes if I have to sign my name, I use them too. I tell people about fountain pens all the time. People at my job, people in the comment section. Fountain pens are great, but there are people who should not have fountain pens. And maybe you are one of these. So watch until the end to find out. If you're like an anxious person and you don't have no patience, fountain pens are not a way to go. You have to maintain them. You gotta clean them. You gotta take them apart. You gotta change the nib. And even the process of writing is difficult for people who are not patient. These gel tip pens or ballpoint pens, are, they are better for people like that because they're smooth, faster, and they look ugly. But the people who use ballpoint pens, they don't really care about the stuff that fountain pen people care about. So, like, I have people in my family who once accidentally grabbed my pen and started writing with it, and they complained about it, how it's trash, this pen is bad. Like, no, it's a fine nib pen. It's not supposed to be all thick and gooey, making a mess everywhere. It's fine. You're supposed to take your time. And trash pen is good enough for those people. Yeah, it makes me mad. Gel pens are good for like older people. Like my mom has arthritis, and those pens are better for her hands because fountain pens and fine tip pens, you got to put pressure on the pen, and that's not good for people with arthritis and other type of pains in the hand. I got pain in my hand here, and when I go like this, the pain goes away. So convenient. And if you do not want to learn about new things, then fountain pens is a way not to go because you have to learn how they work, how to maintain them, cleaning the pen. Writing with a fountain pen is an experience. Like it in your hand is moving up and down, being in the moment. You enjoy what you are doing, but most people don't give a care about that. To me, the experience of writing is the good part, and having that good metal pen adds to the experience. Okay, those pens are good for most people. The ballpoint is fast and thick, and it's easy. People who they don't care about the things that we fountain pens care about. They just want to write what they write and get it over with. If you just want to do basic writing for checks and making notes, I don't think a fountain pen would be good for you at all. But people are so petty, like people who throw away fountain pens when they're empty because they don't know that you can put more ink in it. That's something else. Fountain. If you need pens that you can take out anywhere and not lose, I recommend you not have a fountain pen. It's probably best to be at home because losing a fountain pen would be quite devastating.